Hello everyone and welcome to our craft. We will be making a colour wheel and you'll be able to use this as part of Dr. Pumpkin's science experiment. Okay, so I'm going to start by getting a piece of white card and getting something round to draw around. I'm using a gin glass. So pop that onto your card and draw a circle round the bottom of the gin glass. Like so. Do this exactly the same for a piece of card. You will then need to cut these out using scissors. Make sure you ask an adult to help you if you need it. There we go. Then using our glue stick, we just put some glue onto the cardboard and place the white circle on top. Then I'm just going to neaten up around the sides a bit. So once you've trimmed your circle, you're going to have to cut it into 6 equal parts. Start by taking your ruler and measuring the diameter of the circle. Then place a little dot in the middle. Do this along 2 ways so you get a centre point. Then use your ruler to draw a line down the middle. And then another 2 lines, always crossing that centre point to create 6 equal sections. We're then going to have to colour these in with our colours. I'm going to start with red. So it should look like this. Next, we're going to use orange. Then yellow next to your orange segment. Then green. Blue. And finally, purple. So once you finish colouring in your colour wheel, you're going to have to make 2 holes in the centre. You want these to be really close together, but not too close that they make one big hole. You're going to need to use some scissors, so get your parents to help you. And just pop 2 holes in. You'll then need to get your string, or I'm using thread. This needs to be 60 centimetres long, and you can measure this by using your ruler. Then you just need to thread this through your colour wheel. There we go. Make sure the ends meet evenly. And then you're going to have to tie these together using a knot. You might need your parents' help for this bit. There we go. So now you've threaded it through and tied the end, it's over to Dr. Pumpkin.
Hello scientists, Dr. Pumpkin here. Hey, have you had a go of building your own colour wheel? I have. Have you tested it yet? All you have to do is spin the strings and then pull them taut and watch the wheel spin. What colours do you think you're going to see? Well, Sir Isaac Newton asked himself the same question in 1704. Have you ever mixed all the colours of paint together? What did you get? I bet it was a sludgy brown or black colour. Well, Sir Isaac Newton wondered whether you'd get the same colour if you mixed light. When he span his wheel, he noticed that all the colours blended together, and instead of seeing black, he saw white. That's because your eye can't cope with the speed at which the colours are spinning. And this proves that white light is just all the colours of the spectrum in one. Try it yourself, see what happens, and don't forget, post what you found out in the comments below. Happy experimenting, scientists!